Baby bus.
On your spring trip, what do you like to do, children?
Having a picnic! Catching butterflies! Pitching a tent!
So much you want to play with. We're almost there now. Remember to be careful when you are playing. The spring trip has begun.
Yes!
Looking for the treasure chest. Children, 2 treasure chest keys have been lost in the woods. Can everyone help me look for them?
Yay! Time to look for the key!
That is Mommy Duck. Let's go and ask her. What should I do? What should I do? My children are missing.
Mommy Duck, don't worry. We will help you.
A storm is coming. Quick, help me look for the baby ducks.
Little duck, where are you?
I am so grateful to you.
Little ducks are so naughty.
Thank you.
Be careful! There's a snake! Little duck, don't run!
I am so grateful to you. Thank you. Are you looking for something?
We're looking for the keys to the treasure chest.
I have one here. Take it.
Mr. Mole, what are you doing?
There's treasure under the ground. I'm digging for it.
Let's dig together with him.
There's great treasure under the ground. Help me dig quick. Click on the earth to dig a hole to look for treasure. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. The stone is too hard to dig. The stone is too hard to dig. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far, so you can't dig there. That's too far, so you can't dig there. The stone is too hard to dig. The stone is too hard to dig. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far, so you can't dig there. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. That's too far, so you can't dig there. That's too far, so you can't dig there. The shiny spots are where the treasure is. The shiny spot. Yay! I eat potatoes to become big and strong. keys to the treasure chest.
Yes!
I've found the keys to the treasure chest. You can have it. There is the treasure chest. Let's go and open it.
Wow!
Which key should we use? Yes, which key should we? Yes, this is the one. Sliding on the grass.
Pick a grass surfboard. Oh! Whoa! Let's slide on the grass.
Click to make people jump up.
I have successfully reached my destination.
Catching butterflies. Time to chase butterflies. Pick a pretty net.
Oh! I want this butterfly. Thank you. I want this butterfly.
Click on the butterfly to catch it. This is a bee.
Ah, the net is torn.
Click on the butterfly. Not this butterfly.
Ah, the net is torn.
Click on the.
I caught it! I like this butterfly.
Click on the butterfly to catch it.
Thank you. I want this butterfly.
Click on the butterfly to catch it.
That's great. I want this butterfly.
Click on the butterfly to catch. Not this butterfly.
This one.
Time to chase butterflies. Pick. Barbecuing. What should we barbecue?
Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? I like this flavor. I like this flavor. I like this flavor. I like this flavor.
What should we barbecue?
I love veggie skewers the best. Could you grill a corn on the cob for me? I like this flavor. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning. I like this flavor. I want to add this seasoning.
What should we barbecue?
I want chicken wings. I want meat. I want to have a veggie skewer. I like this flavor. I want to add this seasoning. I like this flavor. Add some seasoning for me, please. I want to add this seasoning. I want to add this seasoning. I like this flavor.